Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is narrated by Abdullah bin Harith that I entered upon when the Holy Prophet ﷺ was having SEHRI. He ﷺ said, "It is a blessing that Allah has given to you, so do not neglect it." Nasai 2164. Hazrat Ibn Abbas narrated that Muhammad ﷺ said that the prophethood was an order to have fast in long time. Al-Tabrani Al-Saghir 372. It is narrated from Hadrat Anas from Zaid bin Tahbit. He said, "We took the SEHRI, eating before morning adhan, with the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Then he ﷺ stood for the prayer. I asked, what was the interval between SEHRI and adhan? He replied, the interval was sufficient to recite 50 verses of the Quran. Tirmidhi 1731, Bukhari 1921. Hadrat Aisha, mother of believers, narrated that he ﷺ used to make time long in keeping fast and early to have finished fast at evening. Ibn Hibban 3511. It is narrated from Ibn Abu Awfa. We were in the company of Allah's Apostle ﷺ on a journey. He ﷺ said to Bilal, "Get down and mix sawik, powdered barley with water, for me." Bilal said, "The sun has not set yet, O Allah's Apostle." The Holy Prophet ﷺ again said to him, "Get down and mix sawik with water for me." Bilal again said, "O Allah's Apostle, the sun." The Holy Prophet ﷺ then said to him for the third time, "Get down and mix sawik with water for me." Bilal dismounted and mixed sawik with water for him. The Holy Prophet ﷺ drank it and then beckoned with his hand towards the east and said, "When you see the night falling from this side, then a fasting person should iftar his fast." Bukhari 1941.